So today we have a new problem which name is count pairs whose sum is equal to x. It's a ZFZ problem and it's a easy problem also. Let's read the problem statement. In problem we have given two linked lists, head 1 and head 2 with distinct elements. Determine the count of all distinct pairs from both lists whose sum is equal to the given value x. Okay. So note a valid pair would be in the form of x comma y, where x is from the linked list 1 and the y is from the linked list 2nd. Okay, so this is my example test case. So let's see the example test case. So in example, add 1 is 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is a linked list, so connected, it is all elements are connected to each other. Okay, so in and head 2 is 11, then 11 is connected to 12, 12 is connected to 13. Okay, so our target is to find 15. The sum should be 15. So we can make the sum like 11 comma 4. Sorry, 4 comma 11, because the first element should be from head 1. So 4 comma 11, then 3 comma 13 is 12. Sorry, and 2 comma 13, because 2 comma 13 is 15. 3 comma 12 is 15 and 4 comma 11 is 15. The sum is 15. Okay, so we have three cases, so our answer will be 3. So let's see the example second. 7513 3528. Our target is to find 10. So 7 comma 3 can make 10, 5 comma 5 can make 10, and one only bus. These two are creating a 10. So that's why our answer will be 2. So let's see the approach for this. Yeah, our approach will be like simple here. We will use a map. However, we have given this, the elements are distinct, but we have taken this case also if the elements are equal also. So means same elements like 1 1 1, then 3 4, then 2 3 4. We have taken this case also because it can be asked by the interviewer that if what will if the elements are same. So in that case, what we'll do, we'll simply use the map. So if elements are distinct and if elements are same, in both cases we'll use this technique. That's why we have done this code. So in that case, what I have done is we have a if we have a had 1 1 1 1 3 4, and if we have had 2 3 4. If our target is 3, in that case we have taken the same elements. However, we have given this key elements, it's are distinct. As you can see here, head 1 and head 2 with distinct elements. We have given this, but we have taken this, and if elements are same also. So in that case, 1 comma 2 can create 3, 1 comma 2 and again can create 3, and this 1 comma 2 again can create 3. So our answer will be 3. So in that case, what we will do, we will simply uh, store the frequencies of each character, like 1 is occurring 3 times, 3 is occurring only 1 time, and 4 is occurring only 1 time. So as you can see here, we will traverse this head 2 and we will check your target minus head 2, target minus 3, 3 minus 2 कितना हो रहा है 1, 1 how many times 1 is occurring, 3 times, so 3 will add up. Now target minus this head 2, 3 minus 3 0, 0 is present, no, so we will not do anything. 3 minus 4, it is not in the array, it is not in the map, so we will not do anything. So simply 3 minus 2, 1, 1 is present in this map, and that is occurring 3 times, so 3 is my answer. So simply this technique we will use. So now let's do the code for this. The coding part is very simple. I will explain you the code, I will explain the approach by using the code also. So what we will do, we will create an unordered map of int comma int type, which name is mp. And now what I will do, I will apply a loop from जब तक add 1 है तब तक, and इन दैट केस हम इंक्रीज तो करते ही जाएंगे. चलो पहले स्टोर कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. मैप ऑफ हेड 1 का डेटा, हेड 1 के डेटा को जो मैंने प्लस प्लस कर देंगे, ठीक है. हेड 1 का डेटा क्या है, लाइक बताता हूँ मैं, ठीक है. हेड 1 इक्वल टू हेड 1 का नेक्स्ट, ठीक है. इतना चीज कर दिया, अब मैं समझाता हूँ क्यों किया. हेड 1 है ये, ठीक है. ये मैंने क्या किया है कि 1 इज अकरिंग ओनली 1 टाइम, 2 इज अकरिंग ओनली 1 टाइम, 3 इज अकरिंग ओनली 1 टाइम. जो हेड 1 का जो भी डेटा है, ठीक है, उसको मैंने मैप में स्टोर करा दिया. इस लाइन से ये हो रहा है, ठीक है. अभी तक मैंने बस उसको किया है. Now what I will do, I will apply a answer because that answer I have to return. So I will initialize this answer equals to 0 and while head to, जब तक के लिए head to है तब तक मैं ट्रेवर्स करूंगा, तब तक मेरा हेड टू है। एंड मेरे को फाइंड क्या करना है, इंट रिक्वायर्ड, दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड इक्वल टू, रिक्वायर्ड नंबर क्या है मेरा, टारगेट माइनस हेड वन का डेटा, सॉरी हेड टू का डेटा, बिकॉज हेड वन को तो मैं स्टोर कर चुका हूँ ना फ्रीक्वेंसी को। सो हेड टू का डेटा, टारगेट माइनस हेड टू का डेटा इज माई रिक्वायर्ड डेटा। सो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट दिस की टारगेट थ्री माइनस हेड टू का डेटा टू, थ्री माइनस टू इज वन। आई विल चेक वन इज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स वन इज अकरे, in that times I will increase the answer. So int required equals to target minus head to the data, and now I'll check if map of map dot count, so sorry, so map dot count of this required means map dot count of required, it is showing कि वो नंबर जो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर है वो मैप में कितनी बार आ रहा है, इज ग्रेटर देन जीरो। अगर वो ग्रेटर देन जीरो तो इन दैट केस आई विल इंक्रीज अवर आंसर again and again, increase our answer size. It will be like I answer plus equals to map of that count, therefore required, जो यहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड कितना था, वन था, थ्री माइनस टू वन था रिक्वायर्ड। सो वन के करस्पॉन्डिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी आ रही है, थ्री आ रही है, तो थ्री विल बी माई आंसर। सो आंसर प्लस इक्वल टू ऐड कर देंगे, हाँ फाइनली आंसर नहीं है, आगे भी हो सकता है, ठीक है। तो आंसर प्लस इक्वल टू मैप ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड, ठीक है। इन दैट केस आई हैव डन दिस एंड फाइनली this should be in this bracket, yeah, no, this is a count na, so it can be simply like required, ठीक है ना, ठीक है। और finally after this what I will do, I will simply increase the head to, so head to equals to head to का next, ठीक है। So this I have done, and finally what I will do, I will return our answer, so return our answer. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not. Definitely it will work. I'm sure, definitely sure. Yeah. So it is giving me some error. It is giving me some error like this should be in curly brace. Okay. So what is the problem? Oh, this is the problem. Greater than zero and then this. Now it will work perfect. If no error will come, then it will work. Yeah. Again error, int required equals to target minus head to का data in target, टारगेट नहीं है यहाँ पे, x है, ठीक है। नाउ अगेन रन दिस, एरर आते रहते हैं, ठीक है, क्या करें। हाँ, इट इज वर्किंग परफेक्ट, लेट्स सबमिट दिस कोड। या परफेक्ट। So this was the complete code. If you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. And also, this code can be used in same elements also. However, here we have given this the count, the numbers are distinct, as you can see here. Had one to be distinct element. If this is the same elements also, then also this code will work. So this was a simple code. So if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. Okay.